Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Talkback so Android speaks UI elements. This gives you auditory cues while using Rapido. Once done, install Rapido and immediately grant location and microphone permissions so ride search and calls work. Make sure Talkback gesture training is complete. Learning double tap and two-finger scroll saves time. Also set verbosity lower if you want fewer announcements. These steps put you in control of the app's flow and prevent permission prompts from interrupting booking. Now you'll actively navigate the app. Open Rapido and use two-finger scrolling to move through carousels and lists because single-finger moves are reserved for Talkback. When you reach the pickup field, double tap to focus and either type or use the mic. Talkback will announce suggestions so you can choose. Once results appear, swipe right or left across ride cards to hear ETA, fare, and vehicle type. If you need more detail, double tap to open the selected card and listen to the expanded information. Finish by confirming pickup and destination, then double tap the book or confirm button. Talkback will read a confirmation and then driver name, vehicle, and ETA. Listen closely. To contact the driver, double tap the Call Driver button. Use speakerphone if audio is faint. If Talkback doesn't announce an element, temporarily enable Explore by touch or lower verbosity so items become tappable and announced. If location or permissions fail, reopen settings for Rapido and regrant required permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.